Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create shortcut in Snapchat to send snaps in iPhone. So the first thing we should do is of course head on over to the Snapchat. If you have not downloaded it already, I would advise you to download the application first before we start the tutorial. So once you have done that, of course click the application right now. Alright, so once you are here, of course let's just click on maybe later. But what we want to do is of course head on the chat box right here. And then what you want to do is to actually send a snap to a person, or rather actually head on over to the snap to take a snap or choose an image from our camera roll. So because we want to send this image over onto a friend, in order to do this, of course let's head on the camera and let's head on to the camera and let's actually take a random snap over here. Let's head on to the send to button and click on OK. Alright, so here we have the my contacts, of course. Over here on the top bar, click over here on the top bar, click over here on the send to now. Right here we have, let's do this again. Here we have these option, of course, to send to a group. We could also send to a story, but what we want to do is actually send this into a shortcut. So if we want to do that, of course, over here on the send to search bar, just tap on that right here. So over here we have the option to actually send or create a shortcut. Rather, once we click on the send to search bar right here on the very now, of course, if you want to create a shortcut, let's just click on create shortcut. You could choose a person in order to create shortcut to send to this. You could also choose a emoji. I choose this one. After that, click on create a shortcut. Click on OK. And now the shortcut has been created, and now we have created the shortcut. So this was the process by which you can create a shortcut on to send snaps in iPhone.